looking at some relatively straightforward equivalent fraction exercises. We're looking at 1/5. If we go to 1/5, we've got to rewrite those in question 2 with a base of 30. So what do I need to do to the bottom here to get 30? Multiply by 6. So therefore I multiply the top, and 6 over 30 is an equivalent fraction, same size, different name, to 1 over 5, because it cancels down to 1 over 5. Let's have a look at another one here. This one here, h, 150 over 300. 150 over 300. Now, when I'm going to put in a base of 30, if I divide both sides by 10, which is just taking out the zeros, so divide by 10, whatever I do to the top line, I do to the bottom. So therefore, 15 over 30 is an equivalent fraction. In question 3, let's have a look at this one here. Find the missing value to make it true. So 2 over 5 equals something over 15. Now, what did you do to the bottom? You multiplied it by 3. So therefore, you've got to multiply the top by 3. Simple rule, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. 6 over 15. 3 goes into that twice, goes into that 5 times. If we look at this one here, 3 over 12, right, equals something over 60. I multiplied this by 5. So therefore, I've got to multiply this by 5. 5 12 to 60. This is 15. Okay, 5 goes into that 3 times, goes into that 12 times. So they're equivalent fractions. Looking at question 4, state the missing numerators and denominators. We're going to cross here. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 1, that's got to be 2. This one is 3 times, so that's got to be 3. Right, this one is 5 times, so that's got to be 5. 5 times 1. This one is 10 times, so this has got to be 10. And so on. This is 16 times, so this has got to be 16. And that's 25 times, so this has got to be 25. You can have a look at these ones here. Let's have a look at this here, an equivalent fraction. That's multiplied by 2. 2 times 1, so therefore multiply by 2. That gives me 6. In the 1/3 equals 4 over something. So that's multiplied by 4. So this has got to be times 4. So it's 4 on 12. And here, 1 on 5. Oops, 1 on 3, 10 over something. 1 on 3 equals 10 over something. So we've multiplied that by 10. So you've got to multiply the bottom line by 10, whatever you do to the top line, do the bottom line, and that's 10 over 30.